Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. And today we're going to learn how to push to GitHub using SSH keys, and we're going to focus on part 1, creating the SSH key. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to us in the comments for any help, tips, and suggestions. Right? So this step should be super simple to complete, right? Even though when it comes to SSH, right, the task can be a little daunting. What we want to go ahead and do first is that once we have Git installed, right, in Windows, right, we have Git bash available to us. So we want to go ahead and open it. Right, once that's open, we want to go ahead and use this command, right, in order to generate a private public key. I'll use a dummy email account. Close it. Yep, and then go ahead and overwrite because I had something there before. And now that's our private public key, right? So our public key is what's going to go on our GitHub account, and our private key is what's going to stay on our computer, our workstation, right? That's the beginning step for SSH, right? And now you can use this step not only for GitHub, but anywhere where you need private public keys, such as this one. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions.